Here are people making hundreds of dollars a day doing this specific thing, and I'm going to show you how you can start doing it today. My name is Tropy, and in this video I will show you a model of how to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. And you also won't have to invest a single dollar, because everything I'm going to show you is free and works worldwide. Now that you've heard what's going to happen in this video, you have to choose between these two things. Watch this video to the end and then do exactly what I showed you and make easily up to $200 a day. Or close this video and lose this opportunity. The choice is yours. Now think. Well, now for all those who are left, I tell you from the start that you will not regret having made this choice. Now let's get started. First of all, let me present you the site with which we will make money without any financial investment and absolutely from all over the world. More correctly said, this site is created for content creators on YouTube, which allows them to increase their views by watching millions of high-performing videos. What I mean is that it will give them and show them some tips and generally help them get more views and grow their YouTube channels fast. Here we see that there are a lot of creators who have used this platform and left their fences here by which the data platform is recommended. And as you can see, if we give to the end, this site is only for YouTube creators. According to Google, are approximately 63.8 million YouTube creators. What an extremely large number. Now the question is as follows. How will we make money with this site Tropy? As I said at the beginning of this video today, I will show you a method to make money with affiliate marketing. And if we scroll up, we notice that this site also has an affiliate program. So I hope that the latter question has disappeared. Now let me show you how to become partners with this site and how to start making money. For this, we click here on affiliates and we will appear on this page. Don't worry, you won't have to fill out 10 pages to become a partner with this site because 1 of 10 is the name of this site. We just have to put the first name, second name, and email address. You just create a password and confirm it, and that's all. Then click on sign up. Done. You have now joined this site. The first stage is ready. Let's go to the second one. Here we will access ChatGPT, and here you will have to put this text that I am showing you now. I will leave this text on my Telegram channel, so you can just copy and paste. I will leave the link to the Telegram channel in the comments to this video, so we will put this text. But instead of this parenthesis, we have to write as many words as we want to make our blog. I, for example, will put 1,500 words. Now we need a title for our blog. For this we will access an AI tool called Google Gemini, and we will call it like this. I want to promote this software as an affiliate, and this software called 1 of 10 helps YouTube creators boost their views by tracking millions of high-performing videos. Come up with 15 different blog article titles that would attract my ideal target avatar. Likewise, I will leave this text on my Telegram channel, and we see that he gave me 15 titles. We have to choose one of them and copy it. We go back to ChatGPT and put it here instead of this parenthesis. And that's it. Let's start it. This blog will be about how good the 1 of 10 site is and how effective it is. More correct will be a promotion. Our blog is ready. We go to the next step. For this, we will open Google Docs. Here we have to put the blog that ChatGPT made for me. So I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the entire blog that he made for me and put it on Google Docs. Now we need to edit this blog a bit. To begin with, we will copy the title of this blog again and put it here in the name of this document. I will enlarge the title of the document a bit, and we need to display our affiliate link on this document. For this, I will go back to the 1 of 10 sites and take my affiliate link. I will go back to the docs here down here where it says call to action. I will insert this piece of text. I will click on this link button, and I will put my link here. Now anyone who clicks on this writing will be redirected to the 1 of 10 site. I can also do this in several parts of my blog to make sure that the person who sees this blog also sees the link. Now that you have done this, we need to download this document to our device. For this we will click fail. After download, here we have to choose PDF, and that's it. The document is downloaded. Let's go to the next step. For this step, we have to open the site called SlideShare. On this site, hundreds of thousands of people daily read different articles and different blogs. First, you have to create an account on this site, and then you have to click on upload, and we will appear on this page. Here we have to select the document we made previously. To the category, we will select businesses. For the description, we will go back to the GPT chat, take the description from here and put it here. After doing this, you will click on publish. From here you will have to copy this link because we will need it continuously. We have now created a traffic path to our blog that leads to the site that pays us. Only this traffic route is not so perfect, because there are different people here, but we only need YouTube creators, because these people will be interested in the offer given by the 1 of 10 sites. And for this reason, I want you to show me another way of traffic that is perfect for us. To get that perfect traffic lane, we will go to Facebook, and in the search box we will write YouTube creators. Then we click on the groups. I noticed that a lot of these groups appeared where there are only people who make content on YouTube and who need our offer. For example, this group where there are a lot of people. we will join this group, and here we have to make a post. For example, such a post is very simple. You just tell him what offer you have for him, and what it will help him with. And you tell him that for more details, click on the link below. And you put the link you copied when you posted that post with our document on the SlideShare site. And that's it. People will click on this link, it will redirect them to the site SlideShare. They will see our blog. They will be interested and they will click on the affiliate link. We do this because if we put a direct link, they may block them. You can do this by writing to people in this group privately and you will get the same result. And thus we created another better traffic route for us. Now let's calculate how much money we will make with this one. This site 1 of 10 promises us 40% of the amount for each person who comes from you and buys this course. If we go back to their main page, we see that they have 2 plans. One monthly which costs $49 and another yearly which costs $349. I think more people will purchase the first plan which is $49. 40% of $49 will be approximately $19. What does it mean if 10 people will access your link and purchase the given plan? You will make $190. But imagine 500 people will do this. You will get $9,500. And to think this money you make it passively. Only once did you make the document and then you just make some simple posts on different platforms and different groups on Facebook. I'm waiting for your opinion about this method in the comments. And I want to tell you to follow this YouTube channel and leave a like on this video to support me now at the beginning. If you don't like this method, I recommend watching this video, where I show another very good method to make money online without any financial investment. With you is Shadow Tropy and see you next Sunday.